So this is my book on biomes. So here's my dedication to all the different animals and people that live all over the world. So what is a biome? So a biome is a community of plants and animals with the same characteristics that help them survive in their environment. The first biome is the desert. Do you ever get thirsty? Not these animals. Animals in the desert adapt to go long periods without water. They also taught themselves to be awake at night and sleep during the day because it is colder at night. This is called being nocturnal. The tundra. The tundra is very cold. It never rains like the desert, but instead it snows. Animals mostly come here in the summer to have their babies because it is way too cold in the winter. The rainforest. Wow, it is loud in here. The rainforest has half of our world's animals in its biome. The rainforest gets lots of rainfall and is very hot and moist. Now that we have learned all three of our Earth's biomes, we know that learning about these biomes is important because each of them affect our Earth's climate and ecosystem. We all depend on one another in order to be able to function.